What's the process of hiring a VA? It's a good question. So what is the process of hiring a VA for Etsy dropshipping? It's actually very, very simple. So there's two main websites, onlinejobs.ph and Upwork. Upwork's an easier hiring process, but you're not going to get as good quality VAs. I must say go for Filipino VAs. They're typically very hardworking and trustworthy. Normally, I would say get a woman, not sexist at all or racist, but get a woman with kids. That's like ultimate sauce right there. I've just told you guys, like ultimate sauce. And because so many people fuck up with that shit. Like get a fucking chick, get with kids because she has to feed her children. So it's good. I would also say, what am I also going to say? Pretty much that. You just like put up a job application, you do a bunch of interviews. I would say do 10 interviews, go with your gut with the one that seems the best, seems like it's going to do well, seems just trust them, and then train them up. Write standard operating procedures, write documents of how you do each and every single little task, and give them to them, and do little videos, stuff like this, give that to them. Yeah, pretty simple.